This next minute could literally change your life and your family's life for generations to come. For the last 20 years, I've had the honor to interview billionaire after billionaire, millionaire after millionaire every week on my Willie Jolley Wealthy Way show and podcast. And I've learned some incredible lessons. As we celebrate Financial Literacy Month, I want to share some tips from my new book, Rich is Good, Wealthy is Better. What is financial literacy? Let's start with that. Financial literacy is learning how money works and how to make it work for you. And in wealth building, financial literacy is not optional, it is essential. I found that most people were like me when I was growing up. I was not taught how money really works, and I was told to go to school, get a good education, and get a job and save my money. I never heard about investing, never heard about investing. Well, financial literacy teaches you how to think about money, to not just guard it, but to grow it. Financial literacy gives you the mindset to make good financial decisions over and over and over. This month, commit to learning something new about money each and every day. Remember, rich is good, but wealthy is so much better. This is Dr. Willie Jolley. Go to winwithwillie.com. Winwithwillie.com for more info on the new book and other items to help you grow yourself and to grow your wealth. Have a great day. God bless you.